Hornady Gun Safe Dehumidifier Canister Reviews. Hornady dehumidifiers are designed to be extremely effective in the removal of excess humidity from its surroundings. The desiccant material inside the canister will become saturated, and at that point, it will need to be reactivated. To reactivate the Hornady Gun Safe Dehumidifier Canister, you will need to remove the cap and unscrew the bottom of the canister. Remove it from your safe and place it in a preheated oven at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 hours. Brand: Hornady. Color: black. Item dimensions: LXWXH6 by 5.1 by 4.25 inches. Item weight: 2.09 pounds. Floor area: 50 cubic feet.